This is a fit for a 2011 through 2019 and possibly beyond Dodge Durango with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino Rack Vortex 2500 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 54 inches in length, and the 2500 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubber lined metal door frame brackets. This is part number DK299. The crossbars are in a predetermined fixed location at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.